something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms.
Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina. Tonight, and a very cold night it is, we'll be taking a look at the last of the Bauer tools from Harbor Freight, for now anyway. This is the Bauer 20-volt Hypermax Lithium Heavy-Duty 10-inch Cordless Orbital Buffer. Now, as I've said in my other videos, if you've been watching these last few weeks, these tools are kind of prosumer grade. They have the Hercules line, which is aimed directly at 100% professional use. They have this Bauer line, and they also have a line below it, although I can't recall what it is for the filming of this video. But since I've used Ryobi tools here at the house for my whole life, and I've had excellent luck with it, I kind of did my research, and everybody was saying, hey, this is like the equivalent. This is going to give you the same kind of performance, the same kind of lifespan, the same kind of quality. So I decided to give it a shot. Obviously, Harbor Freight is the place for mechanics, plumbers, and electricians to go, myself included. So it would seem like a no-brainer to pick something from their store when it was time to replace the tools that are shot. I have a Ryobi One Plus buffer. I picked this up at, what is it, Direct Tools, I think it's called. This was used. I paid $40 or $39.99 for it, and that is exactly what I paid for this one, brand new in the box. Now, this does not come with a battery or a charger, so I bought the other tools that came with those kits, and so I have 4 of these batteries, and so we'll plug this thing in. Dude, way too cold to do any car washing, waxing, or buffing today, but I'll fire it up. We'll do a side-by-side comparison of these two and give you an idea of what you're looking at. So let's do it. Let's open this thing up. Holy cow, it's almost identical looking, to be honest with you. Size and functionality, I think, are going to be very similar. So here we go, and I'll get this out of the baggie. Here is a manual for it. If I can get it out of the baggie. There we go. And it's a 16-page all English manual on that, so that's really nice. So go ahead and put that back in the box, and let's go ahead. It does come with pads. Looks like it comes with maybe 2, I think, or just 1. No, it comes with 2. So it comes with the application and a buffer pad. That's nice as well. Save you some money there. They do sell other pads there at Harbor Freight for this. And then the tool itself. The tool itself, I'm looking at it and I'm thinking this tool is identical looking to to the Ryobi one I have. In fact, I mean, look at this thing. Almost identical anyway. Roughly the same size, pads the same size, depth is about the same. I mean, that's pretty much the same. So this feels a little heavier than this. So just something to keep in mind. Go ahead and stretch one of these onto it. These are always a little pain to put on there, especially that first time. And of course, trying to do it on camera makes it a little more difficult as well. Nice. Okay. And let's plug the battery in there. The battery on the Ryobi sits up on top. The battery on this one slides into the side. Like so. Pretty compact, really. And then our control here, the control on the Ryobi is on the front here. This one's up on top. And then there it goes. Fling a little bit of... Okay, let's see how the Ryobi sounds in comparison. A whole lot noisier, and that could be because she's well used. You know, I've been flipping cars for, well, I don't know, probably the better part of 12 years now, and I have had that for maybe 6 or 7. I've done a lot of waxing, a lot of buffing in those 6 or 7 years. So we got this for the shop. We're going to start detailing cars as part of what we're doing when we get ready for a resale, or if a customer spends a large amount of money with us, something we can do to give them a better value for their dollar, which is something, if you're a shop owner, you should definitely consider doing. Anyway, I guess that'll wrap it up. That's not a very long video, but I can't really show you a demonstration of it. It's just too darn cold. I don't know that many people buff or wax in the snow, but I'm not going to. I'm Eric, the owner of Farpoint Farms. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know. And as time goes on and we add more Bauer tools to the collection, I'll be happy to continue to make Bauer tool demonstrations. Till next time, my friends, take care.